usemzimkhulu wendaba ezirhatshwa bunqopha ku-SABC 1 ziza kuwe zisatshisa nanzi ezithutshileko. Iqatha lesikhulu samateksi eMpumalanga uJoe Sibanyoni lithusele ngokumangalela usomabhizinisi ovulile uSibanyoni icala lokuthi batsho umthelisa imali.
Today it was an appearance where we wanted to join accused number 17, who's the National Commissioner to this group.
Iphiko lezokutshutshisa komphakathi lithe kusesenelwazi eliningi ekusafuzwe liqinisekiswe ecaleni lobukhohlakali elibandakanya ukomishonara wamapholisa ojanyisiweko uMasemola nosomabhizinisi uVusimuzi Khet Matala.
Major General Khan asked me who the drugs belong to, and I told him that people say they belong to him, and he laughed.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona ipolisi elisesikhundleni ephikweni lezobuhloli uMajor General Feroz Khan wayihleka indaba yokuthi icocaine eyabanjwa etragini leScania kwakusolwa bona ngeyakhe. Nela namhlanje lali lokuchinga lingenani ndabazala. Nanzi ke leza namhlanje ezihlanganisele etafuleni yendaba zesiNdebele. Lotshani makhaya. Iqatha lesikhulu samateksi eMpumalanga esisongo somabhizinisi owaziwa kuJoe Sibanyoni uAdvocate Sean Abrahams uthusele ngokumangalela usomabhizinisi okunguye ovulele uSibanyoni icala lokuthi batsho umthelisa imali. Lokho njengombana uSibanyoni nabanye ababili asola nabo umvimbi Masilela noPhilmon Msiza bavele ekhotha kaMagistrata weKwaGafontein esemthombo muhle eMpumalanga. Isigijimi sethu Comfort Masombuka beka lapho asizobona ubuthelele wafika kuphi.
Cedric sokana la kwaMyepha ngiyathokoza mbala sisekhona la emthombo muhle beyaziwa ngeKwaGafontein ekhotho kaMagistrata wakhona la eKwaGafontein njengoba bekuvele kokuthoma ekhotho namhlanje abosomabhizinisi abathathu abasolwa ngokukhukhutisa imali nokubhathelisa imali yokuvikelwa kwamabhizinisi kanti ke nokho ke namhlanje kube nokungangisana isikhathi eside phakathi kwamagqwetha wabasolwa nombuso khona la ekhotho abasolwa bebabawa ukuthi ke kurage namhlanje ukufakwa kwesibawo sebhayili yabasolwa njengoba bathi umbuso bevele usazi ukuthi ke bazokuvela ekhotho namhlanje so utsho ngaliphi ukuthi ke abakakulungeli ukuthi ke bafake namhlanje isibawo sebhayili njengoba kade baphenya indaba le baphethe bokufakazi bebazi ukuthi ngelanga lisokuzobotsha umuntu onje nonje kodwa ke umbuso solo wala urake njalo ikhotho yagcina iphatlalajwa kwesikhatshana bese kwathi kwena kubuya kongesimbi yesibili ngemva kwamadina nje umbuso wabuya nesiqundo wathi uyathwilisa ukufakwa kwesibawo sebhayili yabasola abathathu aba kanti ke ukufakwa kwesibawo sebhayili kuthwiliswele ngelesihlanu esiyakiyo lo ngokunjalo nokuthi ke kufake isibawo sokuthi ke kube noMagistrata ojayelekileko njengombana uMagistrata ebekade akhona namhlanje uJD Erasmus uveze ukuthi ke yena sewabizwa watshelwa ukuthi ke namhlanje nguye ozokuraga la ekhotho yeKwaGafontein kaMagistrata uzokuba nguMagistrata uMagistrata wemhleni akakho begodu ke uthi utshelwe umlayo ovela eMbombela atshelwa ngobaphetheko omkhulu kodwa ke engingakutsho ukufeatureana namhlanje ukuthi ke icala namkha ukufakwa kwesibawo sebhayili kwabasola abathathu abakuthwelisele ngelesihlanu ngomhla ka-15 kiyo inyanga esikiyo le phambi kwakusasa. Ngiyathokoza ngibuyela kuwe studio Myepha.
Sithokoze Masombuka. Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook siba umbono ngamacala sekhotho namhlanje ekubalwa likasomabhizinisi weMpumalanga uJoe Sibanyoni. Ababukeli basithumele imlayezo ekhasini lethu le-Facebook bathi namhlanje awakhona abaphumeleli ukuphawula. Akhe sibone imbono yabo. Sinayo i-disclaimer.
ezobulungiswa ngathi ukuya nokuya ziyaqina.
Umthetho awuthathe indima ngalo somatekisi othelisa abantu ngendlela engatholakali kahle.
Nakhotho phasi phezulu sithemba ubona bonke abanemilando bazogwetshwa.
Yabona bonke laba bathola ukuba namacala. Uma ngabathola ukuba namacala ababoshwe baye ejele.
Umthetho udlala indima yawo bagwetshwe. Khalekthi insimbi.
Izephula umthetho mayijeze nathi sajeza sibuya khona eminyakeni.
Osolekayo nje angene phakathi aphume ngobe emsulwa ukuthi imantshi ayimtholanga necala.
Sekuyacaca ukuthi akekho umuntu ongaphezulu kwemthetho uma kuboshwa abantu abasey'khundleni eziphezulu ezifana nalezi.
Umbona ngembukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kanti icala likaVusumuzi Khet Matlala naSolwa Nabo lithuliswele amalanga nangama-26 kumgwengweni ukuyokuraga ngokuphenya zemali ukuqinisekisa nokuvezwa kwedokhethi. uMatlala uvele nabanye abali-15 kanti bathweswa amacala wokukhwabanisa ubukhohlakali nokukhukhuthiswa kwemali. Amacala abathweswe wona ahlotshaniswa nethenda ibiza u-228 million yamaranda ye-Medicare 24. Komishana wamapholisa ojanyisiweko uGeneral Fani Masemula msola we-17 ecaleni eli usolwa ngokuphula umthetho wokusebenza kwemali zombuso.
iNPA ithebikizele namhlanje enkantolo yasePitoli ukuthi ke kukwazi ukuhlanganiswa uMasemula kanye nabanye abasolwa.
It was an appearance where we wanted to join accused number 17, who's the National Commissioner to this group, but also to indicate to the court that we have finalized our first phase of our consultation with accused number 1, Mr. Matlala.
Okhulumela iNPA uKaizer Kganyago uthi ke bajabule ngokuthi ke uMatlala usezohlala ejele iGoshimampura ngeke sabuyiselwa eKokstad eBhongweni ngoba bekunzima kakhulu ukuthi bakwazi ukuxhumana naye uma ngabe kukhona izinto ezidingekayo.
We support because it works in our interest so that we are able to do the second phase of our consultation with him.
uMasemula uthi akafuni ukugeqa amagula kodwa uyasola ukuthi kukhona ukushaya amanzi ngalamacala.
I think there's more to it. I don't know what it is, but probably surely there's more to just the
Ungoti wezomthetho uthi lamacala abhekene noMasemula nabanye abasolwa abucayi kakhulu.
When you look at the irregularities of this tender, when you look at the fact that no work was being done but invoices were being paid, surely there is a prima facie case there. What his defenses are, I think we'll only hear in the course of this particular case.
Laba bazobuyela enkantolo ngomhla zingama-26 kwezokwethwasa kanti ke abanye abasolwa bangaphandle osagcinwe eTokisini uyena uMatlala. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngisePitoli.
Ecaleni likakomishinara wamapholisa osajanyisiweko esikhundleni uFani Masemula iphiko lezokutshitshiswa komphakathi iNPA lithe kusesenelwazi eliningi ekufanele liqinisekiswe ecaleni lobukhohlakali elibandakanya uMasemula nosomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Khet Matlala. uMasemula uvele kafeaturesana phambi kwekhotho kaMagistrata wePitori namhlanje akhambisana noMatlala naSolwa Nabo ecaleni lamapholisa elibandakanya imali ebalelwa ku-360 million yamaranda ekampanini yethenda yamapholisa ye-Medicare 24.
Yes, today it was an appearance where we wanted to join accused number 17, who's the National Commissioner to this group, but also to indicate to the court that we have finalized our first phase of our consultation with accused number 1, Mr. Matlala, and coming out of that consultation there's a lot of information that we need to verify, and once that is done we can then come back to the court on the 26th of June.
Ukomishinara wamapholisa osajanyisiweko uqalane namacala wokuphula umthetho wokuphatha kwemali zomphakathi kanti ngakelinye ihlangothi uMatlala naSolwa Nabo baqalane necala lobukhohlakali ukukhwabanisa nokukhukuthisa imali.
Nasezwe lezo lithuliselwe ngomhla ka7 kumgwengweni icala lesikhulu samapholisa kaMasipalata weKuleni esijanyisiweko uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi nasolwa naye umphathi kaMasipalata weKuleni uKagiso Lerotle. Umagistrata wekhotho yeBoksburg udlulisele icala lekhotho yesiphande seBoksburg kanti ababili laba baqalene namacala wokukhwabanisa ubugirigitshani nokulwisana nesandla somthetho. Icala lilithulisela ukuthi umtshutshisi abe nesikhathi esaneleko sokunikela amagcotho wabasola amadoketi wekhotho. Umkhwanazi noLerutle baqalene namacala ahlotshaniswa nesehlakalo esenzeka ngo-2023 lapha kuthiwa batsho indoda enye yazenza uLerutle khotho ecaleni lokuphulwa komthetho wendlela wokugijima ngebelo eliphezulu. Igcotha lomsolwa wesibili uAlfie Masinya uthi isikhathi esibazosebenzisela ukuzilungiselela icala.
To a complete set of the contents of the docket so that we'll be able to prepare properly for the purpose of be it pre-trial or trial itself. So essentially we are going to be placed on equal footing with the state.
Nanyana umkhwanazi asajanyisiwe emsebenzini nje, uLerutle ulindele ukuthi abuyele emsebenzini ngomvulo amalanga naka-18 kuMrhayili. uLerutle uthome ngokufaka isibawo selifu yaqobe eminyaka ngaphambi kokuthi ayingezelele ngelifu ekhethekileko. Idorobha leKuruleni lithi imphathimandla zivumelekile ukuthi zithatha amalifa akhethekileko.
Within the city's HR policy documents, there is a category called special leave. It includes issues relating to school, it includes personal issues and legal matters. So he has taken special leave.
Ngeveke pheleleko amakhansela abuze bona ingakhani imithetho yabomasipalata iyavumana ukuthi imphathimandla zithatha amalifa ubujamo nabunje zakhombela ukuthi uLerutle abuyele emsebenzini.
Umholi we-NCC olilunga leParlamente uFadil Adams waphikile amacala abekwe wona mbuso. Igcotha lakhe uEurica Ngai ufunde i-affidavit yakhe nabekavele ekhotho ayokubawa ibhayili namhlanje. Adams uthe ku-affidavit ivakatsho lakhe elejele leWestville eThekwini kwakuyingcenye yomsebenzi wakhe njengelunga leParlamente. Uthe amalunga weParlamente akafanele ukuthi athole igunya lokwenza umsebenzi yawo. uAdams uvulelwe icala lohobela umthetho nelobukhohlakali. Komishini kaMadlanga izwe bona ipolisi elisesikhundleni ephikweni lamapholisa wezobuhloli uMajor General Feroz Khan wayihleka indaba yokuthi icocaine eyabanjwa etragini leScania kwakusolwa bona ngeyakhe. Lokho njengomana kuthuba ikomishini lakaMadlanga eqala ukufunyanwa kwendakamizwa ngovela abahlinzeka ka-2021. Sehlakalo lesenza bona kubotshwe izikhulu zamapholisa ezafika qangi endaweni yesehlakalo ngensolo zokuthi zithengisa indakamizwa. Komishini namhlanje beyilalele ubufakazi belinye ipolisi elabotshwako uWarrant Officer Boy Steve Phakula oveze okuhlukileke ensolweni zendima eyalinywa nguKhan ekufunyanweni kwendakamizwezi.
Ezinye ezimalungana nentakamizwa ezafunyanwa ngovila abahlinze ka-2021 e-Aeroton Sikhanyama. Namhlanje kumalungana nensolo zendima eyalinywa lipolisa eliphezulu emapholiseni obuhlakani uMajor General Feroz Khan naye owafika ke endaweni yesehlakalo begodu uyingcenye yesiqhema esabopha labo abafika qangi abasolwa ngokwamapholisa enza ubulelisi ekusola bona khayo bazama ukweba indakamizwa eziyi-750 kg ezibiza pheze 300 million yamaranda.
Within minutes, Major General Khan indeed arrived. I approached him and introduced myself to him. He asked me if my commander was aware of my whereabouts, and I said yes. He requested my commander's number, and I gave him contact numbers of Colonel Sipungo. After a few minutes, he came back and said he got hold of my commander and he confirmed my version, but something does not add up.
Ubufakazi bakaPhakula malungana nokubotshwa kwakhe kunye noWarrant Officer Maru Mahane noSamuel Mashaba busola bona iphiko labofokisa amaHawks akhange lifike endaweni yesehlakalo lizokwenza umsebenzi olungileko.
To be honest, commissioners, I think we were being managed. We were being people wanted to take over the crime scene, and the only way for them to take control of that crime scene was to get us arrested or intimidate us in that way. Because there are a lot of things that I can point out that are questionable.
uPhakula rage wathi ngesikhathi akhutshwe ngebhayili uMajor General Khan wafuna ukuhlangana naye bathi nabahlanganako ngokukhulamungu ngo-2021 uKhan wafuna ukwazi bona bazi njani ngokuthi kunendakamizwa etrageni labanjwako nokuthi ngeza kabani indakamizwa ezo. Ipendulo kaPhakula kuKhan yakhomba uKhan njengomsolo endabeni le.
Major General Khan asked me who the drugs belong to, and I told him that people say they belong to him, and he laughed. He told me that he could see that I was doing an honest job, and I requested if he could submit a statement as there was a disciplinary hearing against me for the same case.
uKhan wahlanjululwa ngawo wonke amacala ekhabathwese wona enkundleni ekhalimako ngendaba yokubandakanyeka ekubanjweni kwendakamizisi ukulalela kwekomishini kaRagam.
Nasibuya entolo.
Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi nasizako sikwazi ukuthi sipromote abantu esibereka nabo ama-SMMEs abuya ngale ngakwamasipala.
Into le i-marketing ngoba i-marketing into okuthokwa
Ayahanyazela amaNdebele ngembala yawo emihle nemisebenzi ekarako yezandla emqalisweni we-Afrika indaba eThekwini. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1, izindaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, X, SABC Plus na ku-Facebook. Asikhambe nazo. I-Action SA yivulele umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa amacala wobulelesi ahlotshaniswa nendaba yephalaphala. Ihlangano le imangalele uRamaphosa esiteshini samapholisa weBilabila eLimpopo. Isola umengameli ukuthi imali eyetshiwa eplasini yakhe ngomhlalanja ngo-2020 kade ingaphezulu kwama580 yamadola we-America. Ingasi ingidigidi ezilithumi ngokutsho kukaRamaphosa phambi kwebandla elizijamele kweParlamente.
I-Action SA ikhombela ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa aqalane nekambiso yokuthi kulalelwe imphakamiso zokuthi asuswe ngokungasathenjwa yikomiti yeParlamente ngendaba yokwetshiwa kwemali eplasini yakhe ephalaphala. Amacala la eza ngemva kwesahlulelo sekhotho yezomthethosisekelo lapha isikhulu samajaji uMandisa Maya afumane ukuthi iParlamente akhange ilandele ikambiso efaneleko yomthethosisekelo ngesikhathi iphaya ukulandela umbiko we-Section 89 beyabhalelwa nokudlulisela indaba le ekomidini ekhalimako.
I think the president has no credibility when it comes to the rule of law and this issue. I think as a country we are battling with lawlessness and corruption, and we're never going to win that battle when our president himself is not going to subject himself to accountability.
It's very important to us, not only Action SA, but also the country, to see the law being upheld, to see a leader who is ethical in the position of the president, taking responsibility for his actions.
I-Action SA ikholwa ukuthi kusesenembuzo eqhakathekileko ekufanele iphendulwe ngemali eyetshiwako eplasini eli.
Lilanga lesithathu namhlanje lomqaliso wamazwe eAfrika, iAfrica Travel indaba. Ocheche ukukhangisa ngobukhwari bemhlobo yonke yeAfrika. Lo mqaliso ubanjelwe eNkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Center. Nakiwo umnyaka lo bekuthe khiya imisebenzi yezandla emihle ekhutshwa zintshaba zonke kubalwa namaNdebele.
Nanonyaka nje amaNdebele aphumelele ngobuningi bawo kilomqaliso. Isingi senkangala eMpumalanga sijamele isitshaba samaNdebele. Kanti besidoswa phambili ngumasipalata wethembisile hani. Beungabuzi emntwini bona alo amaNdebele angakuphi. Bebabonakala ngemigwalo yemibala ekhanyako, ehanyazela, edosa amehlo, kunye nokuphethelwa ngemncamo, ingholwane, ingwane, ingubo zefetshini ezibovana. Umphathi kamasipalata wethembisile hani uDumisani Mahlanga ukhuluma ngokuhlanganisa lokho okwenzeka lapha namahlelo wetuthuko.
Nangathi uyaqala wonke umuntu uyadlula khona la abantu bafuna ukugogo bafuna ukuthutha nayintombe bakwazi ukuthenga lokho bathengako nasi ibhayisikile nawo sebayayifuna abanye kunamawayini khona la yakhona ama-tour guide nawo sikhamba nawo.
uMahlanga uthi banamahlelo ambalwa okuvuselela umnotho.
Abakhodwana cultural village wakhona sizokuvuselela ilop spirit sokwazi ukwenza amawayini wethu nathi sisodwa abantu bangasaya kwamanye ama-province bakwazi ukuthi beze bazobona yonke into abayifunako.
Umma uNosinki akawuvala umlomo ngegalelo nezinga ubugwali bamaNdebele sebuthuthuke ngakhona. Uze nawo nomlelenjani ogwaliweko.
Sekunenge ngizuzileko ngabantu abafika lapha bafuna ama-order, abanye bafuna lokhu, abanye bafuna lokhu. Afena ngifika ngiyabereka ngenza kunye okuhlukileko.
Umtshotshozeli welimi nesiko lamaNdebele ube khona naye uThando Mahlangu.
Everything that we are
umqaliso ulindeleke ukuraga bekube kusasa.
Kezemali iranda linzinzile nalilinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Mamelodi Sundowns ngiyokwaphela idlale yonke imidlalo yayo emachumi amathathu ye-Betway Premiership. Usihlalo wesiqhema lesi uDlobi Mutsipe ubuka ezinye iqhema nonyaka nje ezihone ukukakarela i-Sundowns ejayele ukuphunyuka nebhigiri ye-league keminye iminyaka.
Umnyaka lo uhlukile kuneminye iminyaka edlulileko kubafana ba-Style. Nemphumela yezolo ibe nomthelela ekulahlekele namaphuzu amathathu wokugcina ebekufanele wabuthelele. Njengomani bethwe i-TS Galaxy. Umbanduli we-Sundowns uMiguel Cardoso sola emlandelande yemidlalo yamaphaliswano ebangele ukudinwa kakhulu kwabadlali bakhe. Isiqhema sakhe sesesiqongolweni ngamaphuzu ama-69. Sihlukaniswa amaphuzu amathathu kwaphela ne-Orlando Pirates esebujameni besibili ngamaphuzu ama-65.
The calendar that beat us, because we made 11 victories in a row since January.
Usihlalo wamasandawana uthi ezinye inqhema zibangela ukuthi zibabuyele namhlanje.
There's so many teams in the league that when we came to play them, they really put on a good show, a good performance for their own supporters and for the product.
Umutsipe uthi sebathumile ukuzilungiselela umdlalo wama-final we-CAF Champions League wangosondo nabahlangana ne-AS FAR Rabat ye-Morocco eLoftus Versfeld ePitori. Lokhu sekuhlathula ukuthi Orlando Pirates isalele emidlalo emibili. Ngomgqibelo ibambana neDurban City eOrlando Amstel Arena. Nayingawuthuma umdlalo loyo kuza kuthi ukuthi ibazinkutane zeBetway Premiership ngemva kweminyaka eli-14 koto iphethwe ichiho yokuthumba iligi. Nayingawuloba namkha udlala ngokulingana sesenethuba lokuthumba wokugcina nayibambana neOrbit College ngempela veke ezako.
And really Sean Barton with their
Asithokoze Cedric ngendaba zephasi. Mbukele ekhaya lochani napho ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha ke amathuba nge-30% ukusuka ngale ndawo enza ngeSpringbok esifundeni sangaleke ngeTlhagwini Kapa urabhule njalo udlule eDaa udlule eBloemfontein ukuchinga ngaleke ngakwaZulu Natal nge-30% nalapha ke enzasi esifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa endaweni yangale ngeGqeberha sithole lapha ke kodwa kusasa sibona lapha kunekungu ngilezi ndawo zakubo Durban ngaleke ngeMpumalanga kezinye indawo Tshejane kusenanitshayelako namathuba wezulu nge-30% ngale ngeMpumalanga yenarha yeSouth Africa kuthindeka lapha eKwaZulu Natal kuthindeka lapha isifunda seMpumalanga nangaleke ngeLimpopo asiyokubona ukuthi kusasa sithole siphi ke isilemukiso kokwakho ngesanamhlanje si ngokuhlwa ukusuka lapha ke eCape Town ilwandle libukhali urabhule njalo udlule kuBogcebeka chinge ngaleke endaweni zangale ngakwaZulu Natal sithole lapha ke kodwa esinye isilemukiso kusasa kodwa lilwandle elibukhali elenziwa moya ongaleke ngendaweni zangale ngakubo Richards Bay siyokusuduka sikwazi ke ukuthi sicale amazinga okuchisa sithoma ngaphange esifundeni sangeGauteng sibonakala lapha ke ngemva kwamadina ePitori 23 Bronkhorstspruit 22 Rustenburg angithi lapha eJohannesburg nge21 nokho ke kuseni kuMakhaza lapha eLimpopo nakhona emini ngathi ke liza kuphola lifuthumale endaweni zalapha kuboGiyani Phalaburwa neMusina nge27 neliphalale njalo sifundeni sangaleke ngeMpumalanga ekseni kuMakhaza nebusuku ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sifunda siyaphola endaweni ezinengi lapha ke sekhunda ngakuMakhaza nakhona ke imini yonke nge19 ngemva kwamadina iKwaZulu Natal lapha ePietermaritzburg iKokstad iPort Shepstone iUlundi neVryheid zimakhaza imini yonke kuthi ke ezinye indawo kuyaphola ngemva kokuhamba kwesikhathi iMpumalanga pakele ake nayo indawo eziningi zimakhazana ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuKompo 22 Mthatha 23 liyaphola nenxuba nge21 Tshingilanga Kapa pheze ke inaga ngale ngalesi sifundeni kumakhaza imini yonke kuseFredendal neClan William lapho kubonakala khona ngokuhamba kwesikhathi lithi ukuphola ngaleke ngeTlhagwini Kapa kumakhaza Clarkson ngokuhamba kwesikhathi zibuya nganeno indawo lapha ke eDaa Carnarvon neSutherland kumakhaza imini yonke iFreystata pheze isifunda sonke simakhaza imini yonke lapha eBothaville neKokstad libuye nganeno neVelkom nge20 ngokugcina esifundeni sangaleke ngeTlhagwini Tshingilanga Makhaza kuseni nentambama ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sibuye nganeno siphole asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelayo dido
Sizibeka lapha namhlanje indaba zikhona zesizulu ngesimbi yekhomba bese kusasa ngezesiswati. Sikutshiya nenithomba zomqaliso we-Africa indaba eThekwini. Yo geza amehlo. Sibona negodi ngokuzako. Umusa.